May we recognize Minister Dr. Kadil M. Sinulinding for a brief manifestation.
The Honorable Minister MP Jojo Sinulinding is recognized.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuhu. Good afternoon to each and everyone. Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker and Deputy Floor Leader. The accomplishments and achievement of our graduates manifested their interest to pursue despite the challenges of time. And this is, as I reiterate further the statement of Deputy Speaker Omar Sema, as a testament that we can really be at par with the rest of the world. Given a fair chance, given a fair playing field, our young generation who really wanted to have proper education can always be at par. Now, Mr. Speaker, I noticed that there are pre-medical courses that our graduates successfully achieve. Nakita ko po doon, may microbiology, may biology, may science and math, and also nursing, which are considered to be pre-medical courses. 2 weeks ago, Mr. Speaker, I was with the Gulyas College of Medicine, and we actually opened the possibility of having a partnership for MOH BARM, representing the Bangsamoro government, and the leadership of Gulyas College of Medicine, one of the top medical schools in the whole country. They opened free scholarship for all qualified and interested medical aspirants. And along with that, they also opened, in addition to comprehensive free tuition, and as well as yung gamit ng library and books nila, they also offered living allowances for students who graduated with Latin honors. In addition to that, they also offered the same to those who are board top-notchers in the medical pre-medical licensure examination that includes medtech, pharmacy, physical therapists, as well as nurses. And lastly, they also offered free living allowance on top of the free tuition fees on graduates with national medical admission test of 80% and higher. So with this, Mr. Speaker, I would like to invoke the support of the members of the Parliament kung may mga kakilala po tayo na mga graduates na napasok dito, because this is a very rare opportunity, assuring that we will have adequate and enough numbers of doctors in our region in support of our perennial shortages of medical practitioners in the region. And with that, Mr. Speaker, on the personal note also, I would like to commend the leadership together with the resolution that has been filed for the commendatory achievement supporting our youth to reach their dreams. And with that, my manifestation goes with my full support to the approval of the resolution. Maraming salamat, Mr. Speaker. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamu alaikum.